Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can uninstall the Python, or how to upgrade or downgrade the Python, or how to install the newer or the older versions of the Python in Windows PC. To uninstall the Python, you just have to press the Windows key and search for the Python. Right now, I have Python 3.10 in my Windows. So to uninstall the Python, you just have to click on the uninstall. It will take you to the apps, install apps. In the search apps, you have to again write Python here, and you have to click on these three dots and click on uninstall. Now it is removing the Python from your window. It will take few seconds to complete the process here. Now the uninstall was successful. You just have to close it. Next thing, we have also uninstalled the Python launcher. Just again click on these three dots and click on uninstall. Yes, as you can see that Python is completely uninstalled from our Windows. So in order to uninstall the newer versions of the Python, you can also install it from the Microsoft Store. Just go into the Microsoft Store and search for the Python. And the newer version of Python right now is 3.12. If you want to install older versions, you can also install the older versions from here. But to install the newer versions of the Python, you can just click on the newer version and you can click on downloads. It will automatically download and install the Python in your Windows PC. It will take few seconds to complete the process. Now after installing the Python, you can close the window, and to see if the installation is done properly, you can press the Windows key and again search for the Python. Right now you can see that I have Python 3.12 in my PC. If I open it, so it will open the Python 3.12.4 in my PC. So this is it for today. See you next time. Bye bye.